I hope all of you are doing well. I'm Mr. Ish. Thank you for joining me for this interesting question. We have this expression 10 to the power of x minus 10 to the power of minus x divided by the denominator expression 10 to the x plus 10 to the minus x, all of that equaling 1 over 2. We have to solve everything that you see here in terms of log base 10. How do we go about doing that? Your end result here should be a certain answer. X is equal to something, and that something should be in terms of log base of 10. What you can do here as a start is get rid of those negative exponents. A negative exponent implies a reciprocal. Look here in the numerator, you have 10 to the x minus 1 over 10 to the x divided by the denominator 10 to the x plus 1 over 10 to the x is equal to 1 over 2. You have fractions over here that you can compute. Common denominator, common denominator. 1 goes in 10 to the x, same number of times multiplied with the numerator. You'll have 10 to the x times 10 to the x, which you know by laws of exponents is 10 to the 2x. So keep that in mind. We will do it here in the condensed manner, and you understand these laws of exponents. You'll have 10 to the 2x minus 1 divided by 10 to the x. That's the numerator. Now the denominator, exact same item. 1 goes in 10 to the x, 10 to the x times multiplies that. You have 10 to the 2x plus 1 divided by 10 to the x. You see these common denominators right over here? They can literally cancel out. In essence, you have really 10 to the 2x minus 1 divided by 10 to the 2x plus 1. All of this is equal to 1 over 2. You can cross multiply all of this. Multiply this across, multiply that across. You'll have 2 multiplying with all of that. You have 2 times 10 to the 2x minus 2 is equal to, this will multiply with that 1, which is rather meaningless. You'll have 10 to the 2x plus 1. Bring all the common items on the same side of the equal sign. Bring this over here and bring the minus 2 over there. You'll have 2 times 10 to the 2x minus 10 to the 2x is equal to 1 plus 2. These are common terms. It's like you saying 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. You have a 2 minus a 1. The coefficient of this minus 10 to the power of x, you can just make it for clarity reasons 1. 1 times 10 to the 2x. It's a common term. This minus that is basically just 10 to the 2x. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1, 10 to the 2x is equal to 3. What you can do now over here is remember this very basic representation of logarithmic and exponential format. You have something which is a to the y is equal to x. You can convert it into logarithmic form by saying log base a of x is equal to y. And that's what you'll do. I will erase this here on the bottom. Make that conversion. I have a to the y is equal to x, so I can say log base a. What's my a? Here it's 10. You can write 10. It's meaningless to write 10 because any log without any base is assumed to be 10, but I'm writing it log base 10. X 3 is equal to y, which is 2x. All you have to do here is now solve for x. You push the 2 on the other side. X will be equal to log base 10. I'm not going to write the base 10. It's unnecessary to write it. Log 3 over 2, and this here is your end result. It will be right. So remember that your basic default log base 10 can be written as just log. It's assumed that the base will always be 10. Hence, I've eliminated the base 10 over here. But everything else is played out rather smoothly, and that brings us to the end. Thank you.